Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by cutting power and confirming 0 volts at the stabilizer input. Safety first because live diagnosis risks components and you. Once done, remove the cover and visually inspect fuses, connections, and the input filter for obvious damage. A blown fuse or loose terminal is a common cause. Make sure to have an insulated screwdriver, a multimeter, and a correctly rated replacement fuse or relay to hand so you can proceed without interruption. You now measure input and output voltages while slowly cycling power to detect transients. These readings reveal regulation issues versus complete failure. Next, test transformer windings for continuity and the relay coil resistance to ensure switching works. Measure electrolytic capacitor ESR because high ESR spoils regulation. Once you identify a bad relay or capacitor, replace it with the same ratings and tighten terminals to the specified torque. This restores stable contact and prevents intermittent faults. You reassemble the stabilizer and power it up, then monitor the output under both light and full AC load for 10 to 15 minutes, because heat and load reveal hidden problems. If the output still fluctuates, isolate whether the relay driver board or the sensing circuit is at fault by swapping the relay or testing control signals. Make sure to log voltages with timestamps. This helps you detect thermal drift or periodic failures. Thermal issues often appear.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.